in this episode we are going to explore Kent, most beautiful and authentic place I could find. Ancient, historic, and it's awesome. This place is awesome, guys. I mean, well, let me show you the Kent. Kent is known as Garden of the England. That's because this place is beautiful. I mean, it's amazing. I mean, you can't get enough of this place. So, beautiful place. Yes, you're gonna like it. Honestly, this is my second time in Dover Cliff. No matter how much I come here, I still feel fresh. And especially today, it's because it's very sunny. Temperature here right now is 21 degrees Celsius. How cool is that? And yeah, for some people it's so hot. For me, I feel, since I'm from Asia, so this temperature is perfect for me. Alright, someone is having a lunch right now. Woohoo! Having lunch. It looks exciting to walk on the edge of the white cliffs, isn't it? Imagine if you fall down from here, you won't have anything left to find down there. I guess. Scary. I remember last time I came here, it was super windy and it was so difficult to fly drones around here. Now this time I did everything that I wanted to do. Now I am excited and pretty happy about it. So this is the White Cliff from the Dover. So, I'm walking through the woods to find Dover Castle, and I believe it is a shortcut, so yeah, it's pretty scary. I mean, nobody's here. Alright, this is it. I'm inside the woods. I'm literally following my guts. Map showing me 30 minutes walk, so that's too long for me, and I'm trying to do it in 15 minutes. And when I say I'm walking through forest, I mean it. There is no footpath here. Trust me, I'm just making my own way. Here I finally arrived in Dover Castle. Look behind me. Can you see? That's Dover Castle. But I have to say, the view from the castle is amazing. So I'm in front of Dover Castles, and I decided not to go inside. First, the main reasons was ticket is so expensive, and I have a very limited time to see the other places. So I decided it would be better not to go inside. Let's get to the next destination. Welcome to Kent and welcome to Deal, this beautiful beach. Let me tell you one secret. When you come in Kent, the best options you have to do is buy South Explore tickets, which cost £7, which is so amazing. I mean, you can go literally go everywhere in bus for an entire day in £7. I mean, that's the best options you could find. I mean, like, oh my God, you can see lots of beautiful places. In UK, people don't do swimming in sea. It's forbidden because the water is so cold and so salty. I just want to go in that pier. Do you see that tiny one? Tiny bridge. That's Deal Pier, I think. Yeah, that's where I want to go now. Yeah, let's go there. And hello from Deal Pier. Wow! Longest bench in the world. Now I'm going back to the Canterbury station to take the train to London. I had an amazing time for a few days in Kent, and I highly recommend you to visit the Kent as well. This place is beautiful. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell, and leave me comments below if you have any suggestions and advice and you want to ask something about the Kent. I am happy to give you information, and that's it for now. Until the next one, have a great day. Let me show you something. Ta-da! I've got lots of seashell. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home and paint them with all different colors. I think it's gonna look very colorful and cool. Just look at this beautiful creature. So happy.